So you're not going to believe me, but I turned my phone off before because it said low battery, and it was right before I drove past a car, a white Jeep Cherokee, older, that was dropping some guy off who just walked into the woods. Like, walked into the woods. He had a button-up shirt on, tucked in, but he was stumbling pretty bad. And I'm pretty sure he lived back there. And, you know, I went by on the bike, but he didn't even notice me because I think he was wasted and it was just the right timing. But, man, I'm surprised somebody's, like, working and living back there. It's really interesting. Kind of wish I got on tape, but then at the same time, I don't really want to bother him because that's pretty rough. It was like they dropped him off, like he got off work, got wasted, and they're like, all right, have a good night, see you tomorrow, type thing. And then I came around the corner, saw the tail end of the white Jeep Cherokee, and then kind of shocked me. I was like, whoa, there's some dude just walking into the woods, like into the brush. So, you know, just to show you, I guess, some people live homeless, work, and I don't know. Thinking this might be actually the best view you're going to get. Wish I could block the sun out somehow for you. You need like another 10 feet and you'll be able to see the ground over there. Really nice day out. This is the first day it hasn't rained. There hasn't been a massive thunderstorm. Kind of like an inlet over here, swamp area. Explains why the road went around. Behind me, the road runs straight along with the canal, but I can see why there's a obvious turn right here, because interesting piece of swamp. So this seems to be the main shooting area. You got everything here. It's ridiculous. Shooting spray cans, wine bottles. All these trees right here are burned. They're all blackened. My assumption, a brush fire probably started from the gunfire over here, hot shells, or, you know, fireworks go off here every night too. Probably lit the grass on fire and it just swept through there. With this kind of breeze, that's fresh. Somebody was just here shooting. This is the leftovers of their Coors box. I like it. Doesn't really matter though, like if you're shooting this direction, because I mean, you got 100 miles of Everglades, got a giant mound there. Unless you got some idiot on an airboat that hears gunfire and decides he's going to stop his airboat right there. Actually, it'd be hard to hit him because he's down pretty low in the water. So. Battery's running at 25%. Got about one or two more areas I'll show you, and then I'll sum it up for the compound. So you're probably wondering what this is all about. There is on the weekends tons of ATVs, dirt bikes out here. So a lot of drinking. You know what happens. These people have set up their little memorials for all the dead people that are out here. Come out here on a dirt bike, have a few drinks, get a little wild, and they even got solar powered lights. Kids all donated their hats. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice memorial. It's in really good shape too, surprising for the crazy weather we've had. The beer up on top. This guy didn't make it. At night, like, you'll hear the ATVs, and what'll happen is, like, you'll hear people screaming and stuff as they hit like the ditches and they're bouncing around. So yeah, there we go. One of those lovely ant mounds. But it's definitely, it's like the Wild West out here. You got guns, booze. Instead of horses, you got dirt bikes and ATVs. All these solar lights. Full can of Busch right there. Guy's young. Shame, you know. There it is right there. I guess at that age you're indestructible, you know. There it is. Crossing the canal. So this giant field to my left, this is where they have all the I say gas-powered parachutes. Guys sit on their little lawnmowers and go around their parachutes. It's pretty cool. There's like 50 of them here about a month ago. All right, everyone, that was a pretty good day. I know the video is going to be a little shorter, but that was actually 3 hours of me biking from 4 o'clock till about 7:05 p.m. Just took a shower. I am feeling fantastic now because I was totally covered in grime and dust from biking around. So I'm just going to put the bike back up on the rack there and lock it up. So I'm passed out at night. I actually can pass out at night. Otherwise, I'll be up all night wondering if somebody's going to drive up and snatch it. We got about 15 minutes until the mosquito hordes rise up from the grass, and I'm talking in the millions. So I'm gonna have to get all this done soon, but I just wanted to have this little closing video about what a great day it was. We did a whole circle of the compound pretty much. We didn't go to the northeast area because that's just like an entrance road and there's nothing over there. But it was really crazy to see some dude just go walk into the woods like that. I can't believe there's people actually just living in the woods like that. I knew there was homeless people here, but I was shocked to see a guy in basically business clothes just get dropped off and then just walk right into the jungle. Walk right into the jungle, which was, it was pretty impressive, you know. He was stumbling, so he's definitely had a few today. But the wild pigs, that was pretty cool. I wish I had a better angle. It's so hard to see the LCD screen on my camera or my phone in the bright sunlight. So all I really saw was a bunch of branches. So I didn't know that. I was holding it a little bit low, so I didn't get the little baby pigs in there until a little bit later. But that's all right. So I'm gonna go inside, drink some more. Let's see if I can get some of that sunset in there. But yeah, it's 8:05 right now. So I'm gonna drink some more of the lovely diesel pump water. Drank a ton the second I got back here. There's nothing better than solar powered camper, I'm telling you. This right here, without that, there'd be no way I could take a shower in a camper. There'd be no lights at night. The alternative is to have candles or not butane, kerosene lantern, which I've tried. Kerosene lantern stinks the camper up so bad, it's just horrible. So it's a no-brainer. I'm gonna have to get a new solar panel. I'm not sure exactly yet how I'm gonna do that, or maybe order it and then pick it up at Walmart, but we'll see. So hope everybody had a good day. Follow me around the compound, and I'm gonna go put that bike away before it's too late and the hordes of mosquitoes start. What happens is the wind stops. It gets very calm and peaceful here. Like the moon's out right now. I don't know if you can see it. The camera makes it look a lot brighter out than it really is. So the wind will calm down and come to a standstill, and the wind is a big part of keeping the mosquitoes at bay. So once the wind stops and it gets dark, there's this high frequency pitch, and it starts like way there towards where the sun's setting, and it just gets louder and louder, this high pitch. And then there's like literally 50 to 100 mosquitoes just banging right on the screen there. So I gotta be inside. But amazing day. It's supposed to be 70 tonight. Yes. So I actually will sleep tonight because it's not gonna be too hot in the camper. Oh, this is like the best day. The best day. Hope everybody else's week is going well. We got a quarter moon, some pink clouds in the background. It's hard to get the contrast, but anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I want to make another video soon because it's actually pretty fun. I just need to get like a helmet cam or something, you know. It's so hard with the battery life to know when to turn the camera on or off, you know, with the battery. If I had the helmet cam, you definitely would have seen this guy just walking into the woods, walking into the jungle, and car driving away. I was like shocked. I was like, is that happening? So, I don't know. All right, we'll be back with another episode soon enough.